So let's go back to the search results we got when we searched for Python in Union. And we see the first hit goes to the Python documentation for sets. And if we follow this, we get to that documentation. But the first thing we see is that this is deprecated. Deprecated means that this is something that the language no longer encourages you to use and will be eventually removed from the language. And so that's not what we should use. We should use the one that it links to, which is the built-in set type. And now we see more information about sets. Let's see what we get there. So we have a description of the set type. And what it says is a set object is an unordered collection of hashable objects. Well, this also is something that probably doesn't make a lot of sense to students who've only taken 101. But let's see if you can figure out on your own what that means. So here's what it says in the Python documentation. A set object is an unordered collection of distinct hashable objects. The Python documentation is the definitive reference on Python, but it's often not the easiest way to understand something new. So your goal is to see if you can figure out what this means, and if you can, you should be able to answer this quiz correctly. So your goal is to understand what this means, and if you can, you should be able to answer this quiz correctly, which is which of these objects could be in a set.